Exercise 5.2 in that question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. So here AP is given, that is 11, 8, 5 and 2. Whether this minus 150 will comes in this series or not. This we have to see. So here we have to assume that, let us assume that this minus 150 is in the series. Okay. So means AN he has given, that is minus 150. We will take this one. So number of terms are n, we don't know. So now A is equal to 11, D is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. So now we will put a formula, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN we will assume this one 150. Okay. Is equal to A means 11 plus n minus 1 into D means minus 3. So minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 150. So minus 11. This plus 11 will become minus 11. So minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 161. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 divided by minus 3. So minus minus gets cancelled and this is not divisible. So n is equal to 161 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay. So n is equal to LCM 3, 161 plus 3. So n is equal to 164 divided by 3. So here you observe whether n, that is n means what? This is number of terms. That is number of terms present in an AP. So whether the number of terms, how you are counting, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 75, like this. But never it cannot be 5.3. This 5.3 term, it is not existing. So here n is equal to 164 by 3 means the number of terms cannot be in fractions. It should be whole number. That is 5, 6 and it should not be 5.5. So number of terms will not be 5.5. So hence this minus 150 is not at all exist in this series. Okay. So minus 150 is not a term of AP. Okay. We will go for next one. So exercise 5.2 in that question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP, that is A37. The value of A37 is asking. So find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. That is A11 is equal to 38. And 16th term, that is A16th is equal to 73. So A37 we have to find out. Okay. So now A11 can be written as A plus 10D. Okay. So here A11 we will substitute, that is 38 is equal to A plus 10D. This is one equation. So here this one A16 can be written as A plus 15D. So A16 is equal to 73, A plus 15D. Okay, this is second equation. So now we will solve these two equations by elimination method. So here A plus 10D is equal to 38, A plus 15D is equal to 73. Okay. So here minus, subtract this one, minus, and this is also minus. So these will get cancelled. So plus 10D minus 15D, that is minus 5D, is equal to minus 73 minus 38. So this is equal to 35. So D is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So D is equal to 7. So once we got a D, we will substitute in any one of the equation so that we will get A. That is A plus 10 into D is equal to 38. Okay. A is equal to 38. Okay. Minus 7 into 10, 70. So A is equal to, so here 32. That is minus 32. So A is equal to minus 32. D is equal to 7. Okay. So now we will see. So A of 37 we have to find out. A of 37 is equal to A plus 36D. So A we know, that is minus 32 plus 36 into 7. So here 32 minus 32. So 6 7 ja 42, 4. So 7 3 ja 21, 25. So minus 32 plus 252. So here this is plus 220. So A of 37 is equal to plus 220. We will go for next one. So in an API consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find, so here find the 29th term. See here, this is total terms he has given, that is n is equal to 50 he has given. Okay, the third term, that is A3, is equal to 12 and the last term A of 50th, which is equal to 106 because number of terms is 50. Okay, so find the 29th term, that is A 29th he is asking. A3 can be written as A plus 2D. So A3 means 12 is equal to A plus 2D. This is one equation. So here A 50th is equal to A plus 49D. Why I am writing 49 means 50 minus 1. This is 3 minus 1, like that. So here A means we don't know. A plus 49D, which is A50 is equal to 106. So this is second equation. So solve equations 1 and 2 by elimination method, which is easy. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. So here subtract, minus minus gets cancelled. So yes, minus 47D is equal to 106 is 94, minus 94. So here D is equal to minus 94 divided by minus 47. So minus minus cancel, 47 1 ja 47 2. So D is equal to 2. Okay, this D value we will substitute. A plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus, this is A, is equal to 12 minus 4. So A is equal to 8. So we want to calculate A29. So A29 is equal to A plus 28D. So A means 8 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 16, 1, 5. So 64. A29 will be 64. That is 29th term is equal to 64. So we will go for next one. So if the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, that is third term, that is A of 3 is equal to 4 and A of 9th is equal to minus 8 is given. Which term of the AP is 0? That is, which term of the AP is 0 means, the 0 means A of n is given 0. Some term, one of the term is 0. That is, which term we don't know. That is n we have to calculate. Which term of the AP is 0. So 0 is one of the term in the AP. So that is which term that we have to calculate. Again, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A3 is equal to 4 is equal to A plus 2D. This is one equation. So here A9 is equal to A plus 8D. So here minus 8 is equal to A plus 8D. This is second equation. So solve equations 1 and 2 using elimination method. You can solve it by any method. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So here minus minus plus. So this will be gets cancelled. This is minus 6D is equal to, this is plus 12. So D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6. So D is equal to 6 1s are 6 2s are, this is minus 2. So substitute D value in any equation. A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4. This is minus 4. 2 into 2 minus 4. This will become plus 4. So A is equal to 8. This is A equal to 8. D equal to minus 2. So here AN we have to calculate. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So number of terms means n we have to calculate. AN we know that is equal to 0. A is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d means minus 2, that is into minus 2. So minus 2 into n minus 1 is equal to, see here, this is 0, this is plus 8 will become minus 8. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. This is 2 4s, this is minus cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1. So n is equal to 5. Means what happens? The fifth term, that is the fifth term of AP will be 0. The 17th term of an AP, that is 17th term, that is A17 of a term exceeds its 10th term, that is exceeds its 10th term. 10th term means A of 10th by 7. Find the common difference. D is, that is A17 minus A of 10 is equal to 7. This is the statement. That is 17th term of an AP means 17th term of AP means A17. 10th term of AP means A10. So the difference of this one will be 7. Means this minus this equal to 7. A17 can be written as A plus 16D minus A10 can be written as A plus 9D. This is bracket is equal to 7. So A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. So plus A minus A cancel. 16D minus 9D means 7D plus 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7. 7 on the 7 on the. So D is equal to 1. This is the common difference. So this is the common difference.